Jatend duond bura mar Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka ogolo pache ewi mano mowacho ni en Andhoke kod mibadhi ma owacho ni otimonewa e pachoka kano wuoyo kanyakla gi moko kuom jotelo maya e kaunti ma Machakos boma ma Nairobi. Okwayo piny owacho mondo one ni orito ratich oganda ahinya e weche lamo, kokwayo rawere mondo odonjre e weche mag lemo kaka yor konyo gero piny man kod jogo man kod kido makare.
Nation, when we go through episodes like we have been witnessing, and you know, happily, nobody is coming to visit Archbishop Ng'ang'a this morning. They are Kenyans, young Kenyans, who are visiting church leaders, not in a very pleasant manner, but they are saying, we want our country back, and that is what the preachers actually told us today. There is betrayal all over, brother betraying brother. But the very interesting betrayal is that of politicians. Politicians are amazing. Please pray for them. I'm one of them. I think we should all be gotten hold of, taken to Uhuru Park, because that's what Bishop Ng'ang'a said, you go to Uhuru Park and repent together with the nation. So that never again will political leaders come before congregations and show the amount of wealth they have stolen from their people. It is that simple.